Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Vision classes. Today we have to go through the Pure Math 2025 question. So this is trigonometry question. Here show that the 3 tan square theta plus 5 sin square theta is equal to 8 sin square theta minus 5 sin raised to 4 theta upon 1 minus sin square theta. So we have to take the left hand side and we have to prove this one. Yeah. So LHS is 3 tan square theta plus 5 sin square theta. So tan square theta we can write as a 3 sin square theta upon cos square theta plus 5 sin square theta. Here we don't have any denominator part, right? We don't here. So to make it same denominator, we can multiply here cos square theta upon cos square theta. Okay, and for this cos square theta we can write 1 minus sin square theta. So here the next step, it will be 3 sin square theta plus 5 sin square theta. So for cos square theta we can write as a 1 minus sin square theta upon common denominator is cos square theta. For the denominator, even for this cos square theta, we can write 1 minus sin square theta. Now, this whole bracket, we have to multiply inside the bracket even. Fine. So it will be 3 sin square theta plus 5 sin square theta minus 5 sin square theta times sin square. It's a 5 sin to the power of 4 theta upon 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, and we have to do the simplification here. All right, so here 3 plus 5 is 8 sin square theta minus 5 sin to the power of 4 theta upon 1 minus sin square theta. Now if you observe this whole thing, it will be 8 sin square theta minus 5 sin to the power of 4 theta upon 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but we have on the right hand side RHS. That's it. That is what we have to prove. Fine. In this now B part we have, see here, hence solve the equation 3 tan square theta plus 5 sin square theta is equal to 9. Now this is the left hand side of earlier equation. Yeah, LHS. So even we can substitute here right hand side as well. So right hand side we have is 8 sin square theta minus sin to the power of 4 theta upon 1 minus sin square theta is equal to 9, isn't it? So we have to do the here simplification. So transfer this part to the right. Fine. So 8 sin square theta minus 5 sin to the power of 4 theta is equal to 9 times 1 minus sin square theta, isn't it? Now you can substitute here sin square theta as a x, let's say. Fine. Let sin square theta is equal to x, means it's a 8x. See, sin square theta is x, so it's a 8x minus 5x square is equal to 9 1 minus x. Yeah, so simplify it, you will get the quadratic equation and you have to factorize the quadratic equation. So it's a 8x minus 5x square is equal to 9 minus 9x. So transfer all these things to the right hand side. So it's a 5x square minus 9x minus 8x is minus 17x plus 9 is equal to 0. Yeah. Then what are the two values of x you will get? You can check it out in your calculator. Okay. So here x and other value of x you will get. Fine. From your calculator you can substitute. Fine. Just stop your video for 1 minute and you can check it out. So it's a 0.66. Fine. First value and another value is 2.74. Fine. So now here this x is nothing but we have a sin square theta. Yeah, sin square theta. So to find out sin theta you can take the square root, isn't it? When you take the square root you have to take the plus minus 0.66, which is square root of 0.66 is basically 0.81. Fine. So plus minus 0.81. Fine. And here it's a sin theta is equal to plus minus square root of 2.74. Now the 2.74, which is 1.65, this value does not exist because sin all values are lesser than the 1, isn't it? Now we have to take just these values, isn't it? Now I hope you might be knowing the sine graph, isn't it? So for sine graph here, just for your understanding purpose I am explaining. Even then in the exam no need to draw this sine graph. Okay, so this is 90, 180, 270 and 360. So this is, let's say, 1 and this one is -1 here. So it starts at 0, 0, 90, it's 1, 180, it's again 0, 270, -1 and 360. Yeah, this is the graph, and you are getting here plus minus 0.81. So first point is here 0.81. So intersecting here and here, isn't it? 0.81, this is plus, and minus is -0.81. So it is intersecting here. So we have to figure it out theta between 0 to 270 given in the question itself. You can check here. Fine. So we have how many points we are getting? A, B, and this one is C. So A point, if you put out sine inverse of 0.81, you will get 54. All right. Then B point. So this area is same. So for B point, you have to take 180 minus 54, which is 126, and C point, it's a 180 plus 54. Yeah. These are the symmetric graphs. So that's why we have to take it like this. So it's a 234. These are the three answers. All right. This is how means you have to solve the step by step. I hope you understood this answers. If you like this one, share and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you. Enjoy the math.